Samantha.
And AG.
And we are working today, and we are getting out all the new starter bundles, so we thought we would just come on live and show you guys what they are, because they're good for at least the next 6 months, so we might as well record it, right?
Definitely.
Yeah, so if you're watching us live, comment live, say hello, or tell us below where you guys are watching from. And we're going to show you our starter kits. You want to tell them what these are?
Yeah, so these are all of our brand new starter bundles. There are 4 different ones, so it can match lots of different price ranges. But so to start off with, these items right here and this is going to come with all 4 of our bundles. So we have our flexible cutting mats, the the garlic press, 2 adjustable measuring spoons, our coated chef's knife, our Southwest seasoning, our super veggie enrichables in the big packet. It's a big one. And then we also have our box of goodies here with our little success guide. We have a taste buds recipe with a seasoning, a scraper, some cookbooks, catalogs of course, and your very own apron so you can match us and be cool. And then
It's pretty cool. It gives us superpowers.
yeah, it's like your cape. So we also have this first kit is our $50 kit, our $50 bundle. Sorry, I'm off camera on the other ones. So I have our stone bar pan, which is originally $49 if you're just gonna buy the stone bar pan, and for $1 more you get the stone bar pan, our little serving spatula, all of those goodies I have already talked about here in the middle, and that box of goodies with your special apron to match us.
Yeah, and for those of you guys, I would love to hear who has stoneware, because stoneware was how Pampered Chef got started, right? Like the pizza stone, the large round stone. Stoneware is like the heritage of Pampered Chef. So what a great way to start a Pampered Chef business and get a piece of stoneware, which is literally, if you just buy this, it's $49, and like AG said, for an extra $1, you get this and all these products in the middle as well. So this is the stoneware launch bundle for $50 worth. How much is it worth? Let's see. $260. What? Okay, Samantha, you want to show us the second one?
Definitely. So next is our cast iron launch bundle. So that comes with our 12-inch cast iron, everyone's favorite mix and chop, our salad choppers. We have our citrus press as well, and then our chef tongs.
Yeah.
Oh, also, can't forget this, our rapid prep mandolin. So this alone is $70. So you're getting all of this, plus that box of goodies and our taste buds and spatula for only $100.
Yeah. So these are, if you're just tuning in, these are starter kits. So maybe, just maybe, you know, you may want to do something like this. But it is truly on the last page, and that's where the best deals of the catalog are, because you're getting them at about 60 to 70% retail price. Okay, let me tell you about the air fryer kit. How many of you guys have an air fryer, want an air fryer, or maybe need an upgrade from your regular air fryer? Because this is our air fryer, but it's also kind of like an easy bake oven. So the air fryer alone is $289. So for $200, you can purchase our air fryer launch bundle. Okay, it comes with over $700 worth of products. So of course you get the air fryer, you get our coating tray, so you can make like your chicken tenders, chicken nuggets. You get our hand pine pocket maker, so you can make little pizza pockets for the kids. You get our micro cooker, which is great for cooking rice in the microwave. You get our manual food processor, our chef's tongs, front, center, okay. And I think, and our rapid prep mandolin, of course. And again, remember that all 4 of these starter kits come with the starter box and these products right here as well. So the air fryer bundle is $200 worth $725. And just so you know, all these ship for free too, which is pretty cool. All right, on to the extra mega large, super big last one.
This is the bundle with the most savings. It's our our grill launch bundle. So this one is going to be $250, but it's also a $900 value. So I believe it is like $433 for just the grill and the plates. So you're already getting a good deal just by getting this. And then you're also going to get our pancake and waffle mix, a classic batter bowl with a whisk. You're gonna get a grater, our measure-all cup, and you're also going to get our micro cooker, as well as the manual food processor. It's over here. I don't know if you guys can see it on all of here.
And it also comes with a lid, so after you're done making your salsa or whatever you want with this, pop the lid on and right in the fridge.
And it's all dishwasher safe.
Yes.
And then our rapid prep as well.
Yes, rapid prep.
And rapid prep mandolin.
Yep.
So you're really getting all of those goodies, plus the ones in the middle,
Yeah.
plus the box of all of your essentials for starting your business. And
Cheese
those
grater.
yeah, the cheese grater, we got all that. And
Yeah.
these inserts are also dishwasher safe. That's my favorite part, just letting you know.
So I know that none of you guys, right? Nobody, not myself, not AG, not Samantha, none of us woke up and like, one day when I grow up, I'm gonna talk to tough, right? Is that what happened to you guys? You thought about this whole your entire life, right? So somehow, some way, we stumbled upon this opportunity. And, you know, some of us do it part-time, very casual. Some of us do it full-time. Some of us take it all the way, right? And somehow we ended up on this opportunity, and it's up to us to decide where we want to take it, and that could change along your way too, right? So Samantha, do you want to tell them a little bit about how you got started, and maybe what are some of your favorites besides income? Of course, we get paid. Actually, I have to say that we do get paid. A lot of times people think we can just get products. We actually make like a real dollar, okay?
Yes.
Real money.
And
So-
lots of free products.
Yeah.
You
and
get
lots
both.
of free products. It's a good problem to have, right? So how did you get started with
So
Pampered Chef?
I hosted a party and I was talking to Claudia and it was around my birthday and she's like, how cool would that be if you started on your birthday? And I was like, I don't know. And then finally, yeah, let's do this. I want to replace all the hand-me-downs in my kitchen. And then, besides doing that, I wound up falling in love with it and just gaining this confidence I never knew that I had, and also an awesome community. So, yeah, I appreciate you guys.
Aw, so tell me a little bit more about community. Can you
Yeah,
like,
so,
elaborate on that a little?
There is always somebody there to talk to. We have little chats. We can check in on each other, cheer each other on, share ideas as well.
I just realized I forgot my microphone.
Oh,
So here you go.
thank you so much. I appreciate
You're
this.
welcome.
Yeah, so there's always somebody there for you. You could share ideas, learn from each other, and just you have like we're cheerleaders, built-in cheerleaders. Yeah.
That's what we
Yeah.
do. Okay, awesome.
you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much,
Thank you.
everyone.
So, AG, scooch up a little
Please.
bit. So, AG, how did you get into Pampered Chef, and what are some of your favorite things besides making money?
My favorite thing besides making money? That's the big one though.
I mean, we do like to get paid.
I am also in it for the community. I like that even though I'm, first of all, working from home, there's another perk for you. You get to work from home. You don't have to meet in a setting like this, but we chose to because I love them. But also, in general, it's just like a really, really nice, like especially during COVID and stuff like that, when you weren't really socializing, you were always able to meet on a Zoom. We're always able to talk to one another, and we're all like-minded people because we're all doing the same thing. None of us are in competition with each other or anything like that. We're all just kind of working together to make content and all that good stuff. So it's been a really nice way to get socialized, especially because I moved a few times. So it's really nice in that way.
Cool.
Oh, and I would
Go
like
ahead.
to jump in real
Oh,
quick.
you got your own
I
microphone.
brought my
What's
own.
going
I
on?
brought my own microphone.
Can they see you?
I have an awesome group that I am also working with too, men and women, to help build their own lives with Pampered Chef. So helping stay-at-home moms, people that work full-time, and so we're all growing and learning together.
Yeah, and we have all kinds of people. We have college students to stay-at-home moms, to full-time working moms, to full-time working dads, to one of our rock stars. She just retired. She's retirement age, and she's using this to supplement her retirement income because that's like a fixed income, right? So whether you're looking for extra income, I mean, that's one, but actually a lot of times people join for the discounts and the products and to stock their kitchen, or some people are doing like kitchen renovations or building houses or getting married and they want to get started, so it's a great way for you to do that. I know you weren't really quite the cook when you started.
Pampered Chef helped me learn how to cook because I burnt everything that I cooked before I started, and now I have like good recipes and good products that help me not burn my food, so things go a lot more smoothly in the kitchen now.
So you don't know, that's like a myth out there that you have to love to cook and you have to know how to cook with Pampered Chef. It's actually not true. You just gotta, learn how to follow a recipe and make mistakes along the way and show people that you can learn how to cook as
Real
well,
life.
right? So anyway, so we challenge you guys to ask us some questions below. Okay, we'll do a little giveaway when we get to 15 questions asked about our Pampered Chef business. Whatever you always wanted to know, just comment below. And I always challenge everyone. Anybody have kids out there in the world? Comment below if you have kids. But I challenge you guys to think about this, because if you're, so let's say, you know, your daughter comes home and says, hey mom, I want to try out for soccer, but I don't know if I'll be good at it. What would you tell them?
I would tell them to go for it.
Right? You don't even know where I was going because you've never heard this,
No,
right?
might as
But
well
yeah,
try.
you might as well try, right? We tell our kids, like, oh, just try it. Like, what's the worst that can happen?
Right.
You're gonna like stumble across the soccer field? Like, what's the worst thing that can happen? It's the same thing when it comes to trying a Pampered Chef business. And guys, I know, especially like your age group, the younger, it's like, it's all like, we're not quite sure if this is real. But at the end of the day, social selling is where it's at. If you look on TikTok and Amazon storefronts and social sellers, everybody recommends a product and they get a commission. Literally, everybody does that, okay? So this is no different than recommending. You want to add to that?
My speaking stick. So I also want to say that none of this is meant to be inventory. So if you were
Yes,
interested in signing up or joining or any of that good stuff, and you choose a bundle, that is yours. You're not trying to sell those products. Those are your products to use and show off and be able to stand by the products that you're selling. But also, no one's gonna take anything from you if you try it out and you hate it. Like, we're not gonna have you send back your used grill. You get to keep all of those goodies. So at least date the idea. You don't have to marry it. You can just try it out and see how it goes.
Yeah. All right. Anything else we forgot?
I think
So we
we're
covered
good.
it all.
Yeah.
We covered it all. So if you
Yeah.
want to join us, comment below. If you have any questions, comment below. We will gladly answer. I'm taking this very serious. We will gladly answer them, okay? But at the end of the day, you get a really good deal. It's not inventory, just like AG shared. And if you're going to buy anything that's on this table anyways, you might as well give us a try for 30 days. So, bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys.